I'll go, yet I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And
we said that we get crashed on your very busy schedule. But as you can see, the reason for our guts is commendable. No wonder, sir, that when you learned of our mission, you threw your gates wide open for us, like the king in the scriptures that lifted the scepter for Esther to come in, even though it wasn't yet time. Your Excellency, sir, one of your daughters went to war, a competition for the prestigious Nigeria Idol, which was organized by the 7up Bottling Company, and she won. We couldn't keep it to ourselves, and the Ministry of Youth Development, and in collaboration with the 7up Company, decided to come and showcase this elegant daughter of Abia State, Abia, and to assure you, Your Excellency, that the youth of Abia State are determined to distinguish you as a very proud father in the Federation. Thank you, Your Excellency.
It's a privilege for me to be here today. It's a privilege for me to meet His Excellency one-on-one. And I want to use this opportunity to congratulate you, sir, on your victory as the Governor of Abia State. Congratulations, sir. I also want to use this opportunity to... I was taught how to be a hard-working woman here. I was taught how to be relevant in society. I was taught how to be very, very competitive here. This was my training ground. I'm very happy that I'm here, sir, to thank you for all the works you're doing in Abia State. I pray that the good Lord will bless you and continue to keep you and your family and give you strength in everything that you do. Sir, the youths in Abia State, they are very talented, they are very, very competitive, and we are the future of this state. So, I have drawn up a plan, sir. I want to organize a music forum, a music competition in Abia State. And I am here today, sir, to ask my father, my mentor, my role model, to assist me in this project. And as you do so, may the Lord bless you and keep you in Jesus' name. Thank you, sir.
It was yesterday, late yesterday, that the permanent secretary informed us that you were around and that you wanted to pay a courtesy call on us. And I said, that is not how we do here. Because what normally happens is that when you want to see the governor or you want an official assignment, engagement with us, you have to give us advance notice so that we prepare for you. But then, when I was adequately briefed about the contents of the courtesy call, I said, I don't have any objection. And my sister has to come, my daughter has to come. When I have, she's from Abia State, and Ohafia. If I see you on the road and they tell me where are you from, I'll say she's from South Africa. But today, I am happy that what we have in Abia has been brought to the fore. And I want to sincerely thank 7up Bottling Company, that company that made this possible. We have a lot of them like this in our state. Many of them, talent. If you want tall, very tall ones, they are there. Short ones, they are there. Beautiful ones. Any type you want, you can get it here. The only thing is to give them the opportunity to showcase themselves. And I'm happy that the opportunity has been given to my daughter today, and she has proven herself. She has started. She was once Miss Abia, isn't it? Today, she is now Miss Idol. Tomorrow, what I expect from her is to be Miss World. But of course, and you can make it. So I am particularly happy to receive you and members of your entourage, and to say that whatever you can, because you are a daughter of the soil, you grew up here, whatever you can with your connection at the heights you have reached, that can empower the youth like you are saying. It's not only by music, there are other ways also. That is what I want from you. The state government will be ready to partner with you to make sure that our youth, people like you, are empowered so that they don't idle away at home. We can bring their latent talent. There are many of them here. Bring it out so that the world will know the stuff we are made of. And then, thank you also for appreciating what we are doing. We are doing our best here. Like you see, these are all members of the House of Assembly that have come to see you and for you to see them also. Our purpose in government is just simple: to move Abia to the next level. That is it. And any person who has any idea, any person who has anything to contribute to make sure that we achieve this objective is our friend, and the person is welcome in Abia State. But the person who is contrary, who has a contrary view and comes to Abia, if we find out, we'll fight him. We'll fight him to a finish, because we want to move as fast as our legs can carry us. I must note, my dear sister, I welcome you sincerely, and you are a student of University of Calabar. I hope you have you graduated? Yes. I hope you also try to graduate. Don't let this beauty and something deceive, remove your eyes from your book. First of all, your certificate in your pocket, then the beauty comes second. So I still encourage you that you try to graduate, because now that you have reached this apex, temptations and many things will come along your way that may make you run away from your studies. But try to get at least that certificate, and then add it to whatever you have, and you see that the sky will be your limit. But be rest assured that since you are a daughter, since you have these potentials given to you by God, and since you are opportune to be here by virtue of God, we shall assist you to achieve your objective. So, you are highly welcome, and come again, and thank all of you, the people who manage you also. Please, I'm entrusting my daughter into your care. That's one man who came here and brought one of us also, came with a manager. And when we packaged everything for him and left him, he came back after 1 month crying that the man has run away with the money. Yes, crying. We have to start looking for another person to manage him. He's a star, like her. A star in his own profession. He came here, the man spoke all the grammar in this world. I'm telling you. On that note, my daughter, my sister, Miss Ajo, you're welcome.
Ekele kam Chineke maka ifeọma ome, and emezile m rime obi m, ekwerele m rime obi m sị ameji ohere ọma gọzie mmadụ dum na akụkụ, gọzie ndị ntorobịa na ndị